I'll get you one pull here, but I will remain monotone. Welcome back to Drive System 5. My name is Byron. Hope you guys are doing well. I've got the new Nissan Z in my garage right now. I took delivery of it yesterday. We're not at a dealership. We're not at a press event. It's in my garage. I've got it for the entire week. Now, I did not purchase this. This is a press loan, hence the manufacturer plates. But what's really cool is I was one of the first people to get this, if not maybe the first. I've had a great relationship with Nissan. They're right in my backyard, literally just down the street. I live in Brentwood. They're headquartered over here. So I've got the Passion Red Z Performance for the week. I cannot wait to start going out, ripping this thing around. I mean, I can drive it right now. The thing is, I cannot give you my driving impressions until May 16th. I am under an embargo along with all the other automotive journalists and media outlets, but I can show you guys around. I can drive it. I just can't let you guys know my thoughts of what I think about when I'm driving it. But we're gonna get it pulled out here. I'll get a cold start for you guys, actually. I'm headed off to work. I've already stickered it up. I'm gonna set the camera down. And then of course, I'll be doing my full review on it like normal. I'll do a POV drive. This is more so just a quick little, like I said, taking delivery video, because I really did take delivery of it, just didn't, you know, purchase it. But let's go ahead and get it backed up, cold start, and be on our way. All right, so she's out. She's gorgeous. So this is the two-tone exterior color, Passion Red Tri-Coat with the super black. So you see Passion Red here, and then the black comes up above the Katana sword. Iconic Z badging right there. This color combo with these 19-inch Revs forged wheels that come along with the performance package, it's just absolutely perfect. I mean, these wheels are gorgeous. I'm a huge fan of the Revs wheels after having them on that GTR that I had for a couple weeks. Red brake calipers tie in nicely. We've got the red interior on this one, so a lot of red with this one, and I like it. I think it looks great. But something about those wheels just looks so sporty. 19 by 9.5 in the front, and then 19 by 10 in the rear. 255s up front, 275s in the rear. We've got the rear spoiler back here as part of the performance package. And take a look at this. I've always mentioned this in my videos, but you can see right here where it wides out the bulge on the hood there. And that bulge is covering our twin turbo 3-liter V6 engine, 400 horsepower, 350 pound-foot of torque. Go ahead and come around here. Let you guys take a look inside. All right, got all my stuff in there. I'm headed off to work, but want to make a quick video and show you guys what it's like. AC blows real cold. It's a hot day here in Nashville, but I love this two-tone interior. I think that's really cool. We'll hop inside real fast. It's got good, different, I guess, variety. So it's not just like all this harder plastic material, and it's not all leather, and it's not all Alcantara. It's got a blend, you know, right here. And two-tone's cool. I feel like if this was all red over an all red exterior, this might be too much red. Let's take a look back at the rear real fast too. The car's idling down now, like when I first started it up. Now it's kind of at temp, and you can hear it. These are not the loudest cars. I'll be the first to say that. It's definitely not too loud. Now when you're getting on it, you do hear some, you know, engine noise like you did in that ride along video where I was riding along. That video's up to almost 1 million views now, so thank you so much for the support on that. You know, without your support, I wouldn't be able to do what I do. So let's go ahead and get the hood open real fast. Z badging there, Z badging there, Z badging there. Nothing on the seat. Let's go ahead and it's gonna be embarrassing. I can't remember how to pop the hood. It's been a minute since I've done it. I think it's just a, there you go, it's this right here. There you go. Now, it doesn't have a hydraulic lift on it. You do have to put this up, so I'm limited with just my one hand, but I'll lift it up for you and let you take a look real fast. I do like that crossbar through here. Alright, so let's give it a shut. There you go. Look down through here. Alright, so that was just a quick little video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Just getting a feel for it. If you have any questions at all, of things you want me to do with this car, I've got it for an entire week. I can do pretty much anything except like take it to a drag strip or, you know, anything like, well, that's legal, but I can't do anything illegal with this. So I can't do any like street races. If you guys want me to try and race it against something, you know, I can't do that. But within reason, anything you guys want me to do, I'll try my best to do it. So leave that in the comment section below. We'll use this as a video just to have that going on, so I can just look at the comments and say, okay, this is what I'll do, you know, this week. The plan for it is I'm gonna be daily driving it every day like I normally do when I do these reviews. I'll be driving it to work, I'll be driving it around town, just getting a feel for it. Then I'll make my full review on Saturday. I'll probably do a POV drive on Sunday through like Natchez Trace or something like that, so you guys can just experience what it's like to drive it. And then come May 16th, when the embargo's lifted, then I'll officially, you know, post that. This isn't a driving impression, this is more so just like noticing people as I was driving it out of my apartment complex. We've got landscaping people here doing like redoing our landscaping, and they were just like jaws dropped looking at this thing. They're like, oh my God, that's awesome. I have a feeling I'm gonna get a lot of that attention because it's just super rare. I mean, these are not floating around right now. They had the big, you know, media event past week, but as far as them actually being out on the road, they're you know, not out there yet. So this is awesome. I'll get you one pull here, but I will remain monotone. See you in the next video.